Hello kids, welcome to the environmental science class. Today we are going to start with chapter 14, that is insects. Kids, have you ever seen an insect? Of course you must have seen. Now let's revise. Join the dots and color the butterfly beautifully. Here you can see the dots in the butterfly and you have to color them. Now let's begin. Insects are tiny creatures. Some common insects are ants, bees, flies, cockroach, ladybirds, grasshopper, beetle and mosquitoes. Here are the various examples of insects. Ant, cockroach, fly, butterfly, mosquito, ladybird, beetle and bees. Body structure of insects. The main parts of an insect's body are head, thorax and abdomen. The body of an insect is covered by a hard covering called exoskeleton. An insect has 6 legs and a pair of wings. Most insects can fly. They also have a pair of feelers called antennae. Look at this beautiful insect, that is a butterfly. Here are the parts given of a butterfly. Parts: antenna, head, wing, thorax, abdomen and legs. Now, fascinating fact, however, some insects like bees and beetles have 2 pairs of wings. Now kids, let's find out what are social insects. Now, some common features of insects. Insects do not have bones or a backbone. Next, all insects hatch from eggs. The babies are called larvae. Larva then changes into a pupa and ultimately an adult. Next, some insects like bees and ants live in groups called colonies. Then, some insects like grasshopper and cricket move around by jumping. Most insects like butterfly, mosquito, housefly and cockroach can fly. Then, some insects like butterfly and mosquito have long tube-like structures to suck nectar from flowers and blood respectively. Now the activity. Match the insects with their shadows. Here are the insects and their shadow. You have to match with them. Now, insects are useful. Kids, do you know insects are also useful? Insects are useful to us in many ways. Silkworms produces silk. Silk can be used to make beautiful clothes. Honeybees produces honey and wax. Some insects feed on caterpillars which destroy the crops. Thus, they are very useful for the farmers. Next, in some countries, people eat insects like grasshopper, crickets and caterpillars. Insects like bees, wasps and butterflies help in pollination. They collect pollen from one flower and transfer it to another. This helps in the production of fruit. Now, insects can be harmful. Some insects can be harmful for us. Lice, fleas and bed bugs causes skin irritation. Grasshopper and cricket cause damage to crops. Next, mosquito can cause many diseases like dengue, malaria and chikungunya. Then, ants, cockroach and flies spoil our food. These insects sit on garbage and germs stick to their body. When they sit on our food, germs get transferred to the food and spoil it. It causes many diseases like typhoid and diarrhea. Now, some other creepy crawlings. Apart from insects, there are many small animals which move by creeping or crawling on the ground. Worms. Worms are animals having long, soft, tube-like body. They have no bones. Some common worms like earthworm, caterpillar, centipedes and millipedes. You can see the picture of centipede, earthworm and caterpillar. Earthworms are called friends of farmers as they loosen the soil by digging holes in it. Air mixes with the soil. This helps the plants to grow well. Also, the droppings produced by earthworms act as natural fertilizers for the plants. Centipedes and millipedes have multiple pairs of legs. They are generally poisonous. Next is reptiles. Animals like turtle, crocodile, snake, lizard and chameleon are called reptiles. They have 4 limbs except snake, which has no limbs. They move by creeping or crawling on the ground. They have a dry skin covered by scales. Reptiles usually lay eggs. They have a backbone. You can see crocodile, snake, lizard and turtle. Now the spiders. Spiders do not belong to the family of insects. Spiders have 8 legs while insects have 6. Spiders also don't have antennae while insects do. Spider webs which are not in use anymore are called cobwebs. Here is spider. Okay kids, we will meet in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Take care.